In today's video, we will be showing you how to install a sample loop in your LCMS tool. We will focus on the new PFAS-free sample loop specifically. This is another adjustment, besides the solvent tubing, connection tubing, and consumables such as PP vials, that will help you reduce any unwanted background noise in your PFAS analyses. Before we begin, make sure you have your PFAS upgrade kit or replacement loop handy, along with a small screwdriver. Also, do not forget to wear your personal protective equipment, for example, gloves. As a first step, detach the LCMS tool from your PAL system and locate the black loop lock for the bubble sensor. Carefully remove it. Next, unscrew the needle from the needle adapter and disconnect it. It's shaped like a butterfly, so you'll recognize it easily. This works best by using a small screwdriver. Gently push out the needle adapter. Now, carefully unscrew the tubing and remove the entire sample loop. This can be tricky. Here, you can also use the small screwdriver to move parts around, for example, the black cable. Once out, unscrew the needle adapter from the old sample loop. Now, take your new sample loop and screw the needle adapter onto it. Slide the new loop into the LCMS tool, making sure it's properly fitted. Again, move parts such as the black cable around to properly place the loop. Let the shape of the sample loop guide the fit. Push the needle adapter back into its position, ensuring it's secure. Connect the tubing of the new loop to the LCMS tool. Finally, screw the needle back onto the new loop, and there you have it. You've successfully replaced the sample loop in your LCMS tool. You can now place the tool in your PAL system, and you're ready to go. For more helpful tutorials and information about the PAL system, visit our website at www.palsystem.com or subscribe to our channel for more videos.